Well, good morning everyone and welcome to the show. Fernando, how you doing?
Hey. Good.
Hey, good. Today we have a product review for you that might make some of your lives a little better. Let's take a look. When installing a new radio, one of the biggest questions we get is where are you going to put the USB? And most of the time it goes in the cigarette lighter. And the product we've been using up until now, you kind of have to modify it, and yeah, it's a pain. Now we have this guy. PAC just introduced the USBAUX3. What we get in the bag is a 3-foot USB and aux jack. Comes with a cool cover that shows the aux and the USB. Pops off and it unscrews. We've seen things like this in the market before. There's a bunch of them. You can find them all over the internet, and of course PAC themselves make some as well. But there's a difference with this one. It fits into the standard cigarette lighter port without any modification. Once we go through the heartache of getting this out, snake your USB and aux jack into the hole, pull it through, and it fits right in. Add the bolt to the back, flip it over, and you'll notice there's these flat spots located here and here. Those are the direction of the USB. So if you want it to be perfectly level in the front, make sure those are going up and down, and it'll be exactly where you want it. Tighten it up, flip it over, and now you have a perfectly flush USB and aux jack. This is removable if you don't want to leave it in there. Some people will want it. Just give them the option. Let's get this into the car. Once back in the car, we have a nice, pretty way to charge the phone and allow us to do Android Auto or Apple CarPlay on the face of the radio. And then if we're worried about it getting covered in muck, we can cover it back up. If you're doing a new radio install, you have a cigarette lighter that you want to use to plug your USB into, make sure you go and pick up one of these PAC USB AUX3s. Thanks for watching as always. You guys have a wonderful day. We'll talk to you later next time.
Bye.